Running from a dog. First person point of view.
Wait, let me hold.
First person point of view. How you gonna hold it and still be in first person point of view? Huh. Wait. Sorry at the fence.
Say when you're ready.
Okay.
Ready, set,
Go! Oh my god. He by me? Oh my god, he's over there.
Get him, go.
Wait, boy. You gonna let him out by my foot. Okay. There you go. Here's the dog. Here's the dog. Here go me. Here's the dog.
The only reason that dogs won because they trained to do that, ain't they? Let's say instincts to go for that leg.
Hey, we're about to go to the park. Because, for some reason, Corey.
What?
I don't know.
Corey don't want to go. I just went.
You talking to the park.
I don't want to. Alright, let's go behind the thing first.
Okay, Dennis. It's time for me to fuck this dog in the ass.
Hey, you heard this person? He's a dog molester. And whoever reads this, I'm gonna fuck your table. I'm gonna fuck your table.
Oh, you should have saw what I did yesterday, Corey.
What?
But I'm about to show you. You got to all the way over to the side.
No, don't kick me off.
No, I'm not. I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna hurt you.
Use it. You do them. Come on. Hey! Say, go! Oh, he ain't gonna get out?
Hey, Corey, look. I was like this. I was running. I think it was like my first time. I was like, these.
Hey! Fuck off!